Number one, gusto ka naming itong pagtitipon na to, joint effort to naming magpipinsan. Lahat kami, plinano namin to, just like on your 65th birthday. Lahat yan may mga partisipasyon. Is our way of saying thank you sa lahat ng mga pagmamahal, pag-aalaga, at mga sakripisyo mo sa amin. Dahil lahat kaming mga magpipinsan, tinulungan ni Mami. Hanggang sa apo na nga eh. Pangalawa, gusto namin ibalik sa iyo yung saya na ibinigay mo sa mga buhay namin, mga tulong mo sa amin. Tapos, gusto ko lang mag-wish na sana bigyan ka pa ng Diyos ng mahabang buhay, good health, at saka peace of mind. Happy birthday, Mami, and we love you. Sana ngayon naniniwala ka na ginagawa namin to hindi dahil sa utang na loob, kundi dahil mahal ka naming lahat. Happy birthday, Mami. We love you.
Mahalaga si Ate Loy dahil wala man ang inay dito, siya ang idol namin. Idol ng inay actually. Mami Loy siya sa lahat ng kanyang apo, mga pamangkin. Si Ate Loy ay superwoman. Superwoman dahil gagawin niya lahat para sa kanyang pamilya, mga magulang, kapatid, at mga pamangkin. Siyempre sa buong pamilya at sa buong lahi namin. Ate Loy, sa ngalan ng buong pamilya namin ay we wish you long life. Alam ko dahil kailangan ka pa namin. Isa kang blessing sa buong pamilya. Thank you and happy birthday.
Please welcome Mami Loy! Ayun si Mami Loy! Palakpakan naman natin!
Hello ate, happy birthday sa'yo. Lagi kang mag-iingat at sana pagpalain ka pa ni Lord. Tapos, pagkalooban ka pa ng mahabang buhay. Alam mo kung problema wala nang pasalitan. Happy birthday.
Continue to be a blessing to many people. Continue to be simple, kind, jolly, and generous person. This is how we knew you from the start, kahit nung kabataan namin. Kaya yung May 1, alam ng lahat yon na hindi Labor Day, kundi, ay, birthday ni Ate Loy yan. Kaya lahat ng mga kapamilya nag-iintay saan kaya ang ibig ngayon. Pero I'm always praying for your good health, contentment, and happiness always. Stay as sweet as you are and as jolly as you are, Ate Loy. Happy birthday at mahal na mahal ka namin.
Stuck in place without knowing that there's so much more for the taking. Oh, maybe it's time for something new. You're changing, so I'll change with you. Days go by so fast, let's make them last. Let's do more than we ever could. When we're together, things get better. It's a lifetime for.
Happy birthday, Mami Loy. My wish for you is more birthdays to come and good health. So we love you po so much. Thank you po for being part of my life.
That can change.
Happy birthday, Mami Loy. Susuotan mo na ito ha, sa gabi. Abay, malaki yan. Natin tayo dyan. Kaya pag natulog ka, ibigay mo na yung kalahati. Happy birthday, Tiloy. I love you.
When we're together, things get better. It's a lifetime for good. highs and the lows, through the smiles and strife. You won't be alone, I'll be there by your side. Through the highs and the lows, through the smiles and strife. You won't be alone, I'll be there by your side. 'Cause we are together in life. Days go by so fast, let's make them last. Let's do more than we ever could.
Sana lahat ng pamangkin ko maging maayos
We're
ang buhay.
together, things get better. It's a lifetime for good.
Salamat sa inyong lahat at ako hindi nyo nakalimutan. Maski ang dami kong problema na hindi ko alam kung kaya kong malampasan, nandito kayo. Salamat ng marami. I love you all.